First, tuna thank God for maximum point at home. Yes, it's second leg, tuko na advantage of which tunataka at least to seal game.
Wako chini saa hii wanataka bao na tena bao nyingine, so najua watakuja more of attacking than more of defending, so pia sisi tumewakia more of defending and more of attacking. Pia sisi tunataka bao, pia wanataka bao.
So we are not taking anything to chance. Of course, normally if you play, there's always something to analyze. That's where our next training session comes from. So of course we've done analysis, we try to correct whatever things we saw that was kind of difficult in the first match, and I think looking forward we are going to have some changes.